Hi kids, we're gonna learn about different sounds of animals today. Get ready to click on the right answers. Which animal makes this sound? Wolf, frog, elephant. Don't worry, try again. Great job!